Hello everyone, I am pleased to give you this mini demo of Datama Compare as a Tableau extension. Datama Compare is designed to drastically accelerate the way you explain a variation in any KPI. For example, the variation between 2 years of sales volume, let's say, in quantity, and you want to explain that by, let's say, by customer segment. Datama will help you do this extremely efficiently and quickly. So, in two ways. On one hand, by breaking down the effects by control, meaning that if, for example, you have a volume effect and a price effect, you can put quantity and sales. Datama will construct what it calls a market equation, which means building the two controls, quantity and sales, divided by quantity, which represents your prices, and then calculate the impact of the variation of each indicator on the main indicator, here the sales. First, break down the effects by sub-indicators, and then decompose these effects and score the relevance of many possible dimensions to find the most interesting dimension to explain the variation. By quantity, Datama suggests breaking it down by category, which it considers the most interesting dimension, and you gain a phenomenal amount of time compared to trying to break it down by country region, which is normally the classic iteration for a data analyst. You will realize that everything is driven by the US, but the US is also the core of your business, and that is not very interesting. If a Datama ratio is capable of isolating when it is relevant what is called a mix effect, that is to say, for example, an average price that would decrease because we sold more of a cheap product, and Datama will help you structure comments that you can edit, highlighting 2 or 3 key bullet points that explain the overall variation, so that in the end you almost have a slide, a small bullet point graph that is integrated into your table, responsive to your filters and settings. And then dynamically you can play with the visuals, the way you display it, switch to a decision tree if that is more relevant for you, and adjust a number of settings that allow you to make one or more comparisons very advanced. Again, either between 2 years or between several years, and then possibly also between 2 countries, or many different ways to handle data. There you go. Don't hesitate to try it out. This extension is free. The paid version allows you to remove the Datama branding and then publish and share with viewers. I'm very happy to have your feedback. Don't hesitate. In the comments to this video, you certainly have a lot of use cases available in your dashboards that can be easily tested with this extension. See you soon.